Let's go. So we're on the lake. So if those of you who are worried about your wig falling off, if you go fast, no worries. The only thing you gotta worry about is hair in your eyes. January in June. This is January by Jon Renau in the color Shaded Peach. Right, I made it back home. Wasn't that a thrilling ride on the boat? It's so fast. And now let's talk about January in here in my living room. So this is January by Jon Renau in Shaded Peach. And this is a petite style. So the head is smaller and it worked just fine. So I wanna show you the inside. This has a full mono top. So here, this is all the parting space. So when I was on the boat, you could see it flying around. This is what gives the illusion of scalp. So super, super great. It's stretchy, it's open wefted. These are the adjuster tabs in the back, and I've opened them up a bit. I'm an average cap, but I was able to wear this petite cap. And why that's important is as you look at sale prices or shopping wigs, and if there's a petite and you think you can wear it, you can try. It's always nice to have options. Anyway, so let's turn her back. I fell in love with this wig. I'm telling you, I wore her to the gym this morning and I got so many compliments. Everybody thought I had cut my hair because normally I wear long hair. So let's put her on as you saw me put her on. This is how it looks when you first put it on. It's crazy, right? It's too close to my eyebrows. And you can see that I need 4 fingers here and this is just a bit too close. So what we do is we take the ear tabs and just slide her back a little bit. So she's on either side of my temple here, they're ear tabs. And we wanna make sure we have 4 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4 here to make the forehead look like a forehead, right? So this is January. I keep saying January in June because it's June right now. And just stunning. Let me show you the back. It's just gorgeous. We gotta make sure we pull her down in the back and that the tag doesn't come out. So that would be a dead giveaway if we had a tag showing in the back. But isn't she gorgeous? I think she's my new summer look. I was wearing another style, Miranda by Jon Renau, in the same color. And I love that style too. But this is off my shoulders, off my collar, just stunning. Shaded Peach, and I'm loving. So look at the hairline. Now, on this platform, make sure you follow me so we can stay connected. I love to share wigs, and you'll see on the thumbnail tags, you'll see me in this wig and the title. So if you're shopping through my content, you can pick out which wig you want to know about, and hopefully I'll have a video. If I don't, please drop a comment and I will make a video on pretty much any style you're looking for. I do individual consultations, so you can book that on my website, which is also listed below. And I have a new book, so please check out my book. I'm so excited about it. It's called Wig Wisdom, and it's my story, and then also how to wig. So I hope that's helpful for you. Let's take another little tour of this number. I can part her anywhere. So at first I had parted her over on this side, and I thought, no, she just kind of naturally wanted to go right here. Just stunning. So again, Jon Renau, January in Shaded Peach. Have a great day. Mwah. Cheers.